Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem and gathering facts, which browser, OS, and the exact redirect URL. Open a private or incognito window and reproduce the redirect to rule out cached sessions. Next, disable extensions quickly. Many redirects come from malicious or misbehaving add-ons. Then clear cookies and site data for the domain only, because that removes session-based redirects without wiping everything. Once done, retry the site. If the redirect persists, move to deeper inspection. Now you dig into where the redirect originates. Open Developer Tools, go to Network and reload. Look for 3xx responses and location headers to see which resource issues the redirect. Then inspect the page source and the list of loaded scripts to find inline or injected redirect code. Search for window, location, or meta refresh tags. Additionally, check your host's file and flush the DNS cache, and verify your router or system DNS settings, because DNS-level hijacks can cause persistent. Finally, remove the source. Uninstall or disable the extension, delete injected script, or restore a clean host's file and correct DNS entries. If a server-side redirect was misconfigured, update server rules or htaccess accordingly. Once fixed, scan the system for malware, update the browser, and change any passwords that may have been exposed. Make sure to test the site in both normal and private windows to confirm resolution. If the issue returns, one key troubleshooting tip: capture a HAR file and review it or share it with a trusted admin for deeper analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.